Good morning, Kinder. Miss T here to go over your Eureka lessons and your assignments. I will not be giving answers, but I will walk you through it and I will do a few examples. These are all the problems that you're going to see on your assignment today. You've got plussing all through our examples today. We're adding. It tells you your numbers that you're adding, and it also gives you pictures. Make sure that you're paying attention to where your equal sign is. Okay, remember, if it's telling you that there are 4 green balloons and 3 orange balloons in the air, are those going to be your parts or your whole? That's right, they're going to be your parts. Make sure you're filling in your parts, count them all up, and then you'll have your answer for your whole. Same thing for here and for here. Let's do an example in the back. It says we're going to listen and draw. Charlotte is playing with pattern blocks. She has 3 squares and 3 triangles. How many shapes does she have? So I'm going to circle my information. She has 3 squares. She has 3 triangles. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 squares. And I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 triangles. Okay? These are all things that you can do when you're doing your math work. Online, you can write the information down on a piece of paper and write it out for yourself before you type it in on the computer. Let's see if I can zoom this in a little bit. There we go. Okay, so I've got my 3 squares and I've got my 3 triangles. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 6. Now I'm going to write my sentence again, but this time my equals is on this side. So I know that 3 and 3 are my parts, and 6 is my whole. Let's look at the next one. Let's go out a little bit. There we go. It says Gavin has a tower of linking cubes. He has 5 purple and 5 orange cubes. So let's get our colors. Here we go. I have 5 purple cubes. And remember, we're making a tower. Does the tower go up and down or side to side? It goes up and down. Okay, so 5 purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 3 orange cubes. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So I have 5 and I have 3. Is that my whole or is that my parts? That's right, that's my parts. I have 5 and I have 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's my answer? Yes, 8 is my answer. And if I write my sentence again, I look where my equal sign is. 8 is my whole. And my parts are 5 and 3. Very good. Let's look at some more examples. Okay, this is also going to be on your assignment. And all I wanted to explain was that it says that Devin has 6 Spider-Man pencils. Spider-Man! And he put some in his desk and the rest in his pencil box. You're going to write a number sentence for how many pencils Devin might have in his box. So it's not telling you what parts you have because there's lots of different parts that you could have. So what you should do is you're going to circle some that will go in his desk. So say I circled 3, I would put 3 here. Then I would count how many are left that I would put in my pencil box. 1, 2, 3. But I could also circle 2 and have 4. Or I could circle 1 and have 5. There's many different answers as long as both of your parts equal 6. That's right. Here on the bottom, it says that Shania made 7 necklaces. She wore some of them, and the rest she put in her jewelry box. You use the cubes to think about how many necklaces she might have on and how many she put in her jewelry box. Then you'll complete the number sentences. Okay? So these also need to match. Okay? So whatever you put here needs to match the sentence that's on the bottom. Do not give me 2 different sentences because then one of them will be wrong. Okay? And remember, it says that we had seven necklaces. So 7 is going to be our what? That's right. 7 is going to be your whole. I'm giving you a hint right there. Now, you can make any combination using your cubes. So color some one color, and color some another color, and you'll have your 2 parts. Okay, let's look at the back for an example. It says, Tommy planted 8 flowers. He planted some in his garden and some in flower pots. Draw how Tommy may have planted the flowers. Fill in the number sentences to match your picture. And this can go any way. So but I know that I need to draw 8 flowers. If I know that I need to draw 8, then I know that my whole is 8, so I can put it here, and I can also put it here, because that's where it goes on my equal sign. Okay, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 flowers. Remember, some are in the garden and some are in flower pots. So I'm going to put some in my flower pots. Okay, and then some I already put in my garden, so that's just going to be the ground. How many did I put in the garden? And I'm sorry, how many did I put in the garden? That's right, I put 4. How many did I put in pots? Yes, I put 4. So these are going to be the same sentences. Remember, you want these to match. So I'm not making a new sentence. I'm just showing the different ways I could write the sentence. Now, this is I'm going to create my own story and draw a picture and fill in the number sentence and I'm going to tell a friend. So I'm going to draw some butterflies, and I'm going to tell you my story. Some butterflies flew towards the sun. Some butterflies flew towards the clouds. 3 butterflies went towards the sun. 4 butterflies went towards the clouds. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 butterflies overall. So I have 7 butterflies. 3 went to the sun and 4 went to the clouds. Okay, these are all things that you can be practicing at home. Make sure that you're entering in your number sentences. When I ask you to type in the number sentence, make sure that you're adding your plus sign and your equal sign. Okay, I review all of them, so if you put in the right answer and for some reason it gives you it says that it's wrong, I'll always go back in and change it. Okay, work hard, do your best, and I will see you soon. I love you.